डोंगरी या जिन्होंने मुंबई के अंडरवर्ल्ड पे राज किया है
जी।
जब हम इस तरह का कुछ ट्रेलर देखते हैं और जिस तरह के हालात आज चल रहे हैं, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आई होप एवरीवन टेक माय क्वेश्चन ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट।
Absolutely.
Filmmaker are always soft targeted people, are you people are little nervous or scared because you are somewhere down the line using their name which are not supposed to be. I am the one who started with this, might be somebody else comes in the picture and says ki boss ye galat hai, some political party jumps in and says ki ye galat hai. Are you nervous about that? Or apart from this, you already work in Shootout and Badala and some other fantastic films. From where have you taken the reference of your character, or this is your own work?
This is I never take any references from any other actor. I might take references from real people or from visuals of, in comic books I have taken references from comic book visuals, but if I take a reference from another actor फिर तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं हुआ मेरी performance का. Coming back to the earlier part of your question, I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. हम में से संभवतः किसी को भी नहीं पता कि कल का सूरज क्या लेकर आएगा या हमारी ज़िंदगी में कल क्या होने वाला है. एंड आई डू बिलीव दैट आई डोंट नो अबाउट एवरीबडी एल्स हाउ दे फील, बट आई टेंड टू क्रॉस द ब्रिज व्हेन आई कम टू द ब्रिज, एंड इफ देयर इज अ ब्रिज टुमारो वी विल ट्राई एंड क्रॉस इट टू द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर एफर्ट्स एज अ टीम.
Kashmir here. You are Pune based. जब आप डोंगरी गए तो डोंगरी की क्या बातें आपको अपील कर गई थी?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आई वॉज डैम स्कैर्ड गाड़ी से बाहर निकलने के लिए, क्योंकि हादी ने मुझे बहुत डराया था. वहाँ पे ऐसा माहौल होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है, पर बहुत ही वार्म लोग थे वहाँ के. एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर एरिया दैट यू वुड विजिट इन मुंबई. इट्स क्लासिक मुंबई इज़ व्हाट आई फेल्ट, बिकॉज वी लिव इन द सबर्ब्स. हम लोग अंधेरी गोरेगांव साइड में रहते हैं, तो वो साइड हम उतने वाकिफ़ नहीं होते उस इलाके से. लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फिल्म आई practically we went 5 days before the shoot and we were roaming the streets of Dongri to just get a hang of how people what their demeanor is and how they carry themselves out there. So there is a very slight difference, not much, but somewhat I feel that it's a different world altogether, and it starts playing on your mind after a while. Once you start staying there for a longer period of time and start chit-chatting with people around there, I feel that it is a different universe within Mumbai of its own, and it has its own different character which reflects in the film beautifully, as we've shot on all real locations. So that was a big help for me, as we visited Dongri quite often before shooting actually.
मैं के बादशाह थे वहाँ के, जो कि आम नॉलेज है, और हम ये भी कह रहे हैं कि ये कहानी उनके बारे में नहीं है, ये कहानी राजा और उसके प्यार के बारे में है. So we have put the message. You want to add something to it?
जैसे रौनक सर ने कहा, I just want to add to it that the only thing that is actually relevant today is the love story, which I personally have seen built in a lot of people in Dongri. So that is the experience that we are carrying forward.
About कि लड़का इज प्लेइंग, जैसे आप मंसूर अली और वो आप उनके फादर बने हैं, तो वो यकीनन मंसूर अली के फादर बने हैं तो राजा अली ही होगा. और फिर लड़की महाराष्ट्रियन, आई होप यू रिमेंबर कमीने, where Mr. Denada, the brother played by Priyanka's father, Priyanka's in that film, he says कि पूरी काय केलस तू, कि यूपी का लड़का है और तूने इससे कैसे मोहब्बत कर ली. तो आई एम लिटिल वरीड अबाउट दैट पार्ट आल्सो. हादी, क्या वजह थी making him a Muslim guy and the Maharashtrian female in your film? There's another concern. I'm really worried.
Yeah, I mean, all your worries will be put on rest at 11th November. So there was no concern. This was just characters that we loved, and I think it was very beautifully put that there was no conflict of caste in the film at all. तो वो मुस्लिम हो या वो हिंदू हो, उससे हमें कोई मैटर नहीं करता है. एक लड़की है जिसका नाम है श्रुति, एक लड़का है जिसका नाम है राजा, and they fall in love. उसके बाद क्या होता है 11th नवंबर को आप जानेंगे. So I have no worries about that. I think it's a very clean-hearted film, very honest attempt, and all my actors have done justice to every bit of it. My writer, my cinematographer, everybody, my art director has done justice to the entire film. So I think we should just take it in the positive way and just
That gives you inspiration the next day to go on set and again perform better the next day.
Thank you very much.
As far as this character goes, yes, it's very different for me. I have played a police officer before. My third film, actually, I played a police officer who was actually kind of on leave because he went through personal problems. This was a film called Nazar, directed by Soni Razdan. So it was the first time I've actually donned a uniform, which was incredible. And like when Sid gave the introduction, he said, you know, stalwarts like Mr. Bachchan to recently Salman Bhai, Ajay Devgan sir, all of them have put on the uniform and have given blockbuster films and characters which have been very memorable. So I'm hoping that with this performance, I will make my mark. I have my job cut out because there's, like everyone said, industry in himself in the film, Mr. Ronit Roy. Kashmir, who's an outstanding actor, he hasn't done that much work. He's very young. He's done a few films in Marathi and he's won awards for them. So, you know, he's really incredible and he's a talent to look to in the future. I think he's going to be one of our very strong leading men in the future. And Richa has had an incredible debut with this film, I think. She's done really well. So I have my work cut out. Sachin sir, I've done only one scene with him in which, I don't want to say what happens, but I've seen him in Vastav and he's a powerhouse as well. So, yeah, I don't know. Let's see on 11th of November. The critics will be the audience and they will judge how I've done and whether I've done justice to my character or not.
Sir, I have a question to Hadi sir also. So, there are, you know, in past there are so many films based on gangsters, love stories, and everything. And how do you see? Anyways, we will come to know once the movie is launched. But just if you can put in.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल दाढ़ी के साथ साथ एक पोनी टेल भी था हाई पोनी टेल लंबे बाल थे और एक्चुअली मुझे पता नहीं था एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द कैरेक्टर और द रोल वाज मुझे लगा कि शायद लीडिंग रोल के लिए बुलाया गया है बिकॉज मैंने सिर्फ एक फिल्म की है जहाँ पे आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग द लीड वो भी सलमान खान के साथ और जब हादी सर ने मुझे नरेशन दी आई फिगर्ड आउट कि इट्स नॉट फॉर द लीड रोल इट्स फॉर द इंस्पेक्टर लेकिन द वे ही नरेटेड इट टू मी आई फाउंड द कैरेक्टर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग I said, you know what, it doesn't matter if it's a new boy or Salman Khan or even Mr. Bachchan or Ronit sir, I will play second fiddle.